Hey, Mr. Van again. I don't actually know off the top of my head which day this lesson is. All I know is that it goes with a cooldown called the Depreciating Foam. There's only one really main sort of key thing to remember here, and that's if you're losing 1/4 of your population or value each day, that means that you're keeping 3/4 of the population. And when you go to set up your equation, what you're going to want to do is multiply by 3/4 to find out the amount that you have left. So our equations are always the amount that we have, not the amount that we're growing by or the amount we're losing by. So again, if you're losing 1/4, you're keeping 3/4, and you would write your equation accordingly. So the other thing here is that when we go to write our equation, we have our starting value, and then each year we're multiplying by 3/4 again and again. Excuse me, and again. So if we get down to the t amount, we would have 100,000 times 3/4. Well, how many times are we multiplying by 3/4? Well, when it was 1, we had 1 of them. When it was 2, we had 2 of them, or we squared it. When there was 3, we had 3 of them, or we cubed it. So when we have t, there are t of them, so we take it to the t power. So, the phone originally sold for $800. It loses 3/5 of its value each year after it's released. Well, if you are looking at a pizza, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, and you are eliminating 3 of them, how much do you have left? What are you going to have to put into your equation? And then use Desmos. Remember on Desmos, if you type into line 1, a of t is equal to something times something to the t power. On the second line down, you can always just go a of 2 if you want to figure out how many, what the value is after 2 years. It'll be something. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. I hope this is helpful.